Hello students, welcome to Vitu Maths classes. Your topic is sequences and series, and in this particular question we are going to discuss about arithmetic progression, which is a special sequence represented by its first term and common difference between their consecutive terms. So our question is, show that in an AP the sum of the terms equidistant from beginning and end is always same and equals to the sum of first and last term. So we are going to take suppose an arithmetic progression first. So let A and D be the first term and common difference of given AP. तो आपका जो अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन है वो फर्स्ट टर्म और कॉमन डिफरेंस रिप्रेजेंट करता है. सो लेट A बी द फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ योर AP एंड D बी द कॉमन डिफरेंस ऑफ योर AP. Now we have to consider the sum of terms equidistant from beginning and end. So let the distance be k. So let the kth term from beginning. What will be the kth term from beginning? Kth term from beginning will be ak, and the formula for nth term of an AP is a plus n minus 1 d. By using this formula, अगर आप फर्स्ट टर्म में n minus 1 times common difference and add करते हैं, you will get the nth term. So kth term will be equals to a plus k minus 1d, and this is the kth term from beginning. Now we are supposed to find out kth term from and also. So kth term from and will be equals to, let the number of terms in the this AP will be suppose n. Suppose n है आपका number of terms, तो total number of terms आपकी n है, उसमें से minus k किया क्योंकि आप पीछे से kth term देख रहे हो, इसलिए you have to plus 1. So this term will be equals to common difference first term plus आप इसमें n माइनस 1 प्लस के में माइनस 1d में से एक कम टाइम कॉमन डिफरेंस ऐड करेंगे, एंड दैट इज इक्वल्स टू n माइनस के डी. सो kth टर्म फ्रॉम एंड विल बी दिस. नाउ consider the sum of 1 plus 2, that is kth term from beginning plus kth term from and kth term from beginning will be equals to a plus k minus 1 d, and kth term from and will be equals to a plus n minus k d, and that is equals to a plus a 2a and k minus 1 plus n minus 1 minus k d, and that is equals to 2a plus k will cancel out n minus 1 d. Now this can be written as a plus n minus 1 d. And what is a? A is represented by its first term. And what is a plus n minus 1 d? And that is if this sequence have n terms, so nth term will be the last term. So this will be the last term, and we have proved that the sum of the terms which is equidistant from beginning and from and, the sum of is always equals to the first term and last term.